Are there any poisonous plants that look like purslane? Are you curious if there are poisonous plants that resemble purslane? This is an important question for anyone interested in foraging while camping or enjoying the great outdoors. Purslane is a popular edible plant, but it does have some lookalikes that can be harmful. One of the main plants to watch out for is prostrate spurge, which is scientifically known as Euphorbia prostrata. Another one is spotted spurge, or Euphorbia maculata. Both of these plants can be mistaken for purslane because they have a similar low growing habit and reddish stems. To tell purslane apart from these toxic plants, you can look at a few key features. First, consider the leaves. Purslane has smooth, thick, and fleshy leaves that grow in whorls around the stem. In contrast, spurge leaves are thinner, not fleshy, and have serrated edges. They grow in opposite pairs rather than in whorls, which is a big difference. Next, check the stem. When you break a spurge stem, it releases a white, milky latex sap. This sap can cause skin irritation, so it is best to avoid it. On the other hand, when you break a purslane stem, it does not produce any sap. This is a quick way to identify which plant you are dealing with. Another thing to note is the growth habit. While both plants grow close to the ground, spurge tends to spread out more flatly and tightly to the soil compared to purslane. For those who enjoy foraging in parks and campgrounds, knowing these differences is essential. Purslane is not only safe to eat but also nutritious. It can be a great addition to salads or cooked dishes. However, spurges are toxic and should be avoided at all costs. Here are some practical tips for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. Always avoid harvesting any plant unless you can positively identify it as purslane. If you see a plant with milky sap, it is best to steer clear. Pay attention to the leaf arrangement and texture to help distinguish between the two. Additionally, wearing gloves when handling unknown plants can protect your skin from any irritation caused by spurge sap. By using these identification methods, you can safely enjoy foraging for purslane while minimizing the risk of encountering poisonous lookalikes. Happy foraging!